Hey, good morning, second period. I just wanted to provide an update on what's happening and check in with you guys and make sure everything's okay and kind of tell you both what's happening for the end of this semester and the start of next semester and everything I know and what I don't know. First, I hope everyone is doing well. I hope that your situations aren't being too crazy. I know that because of what's happening everywhere, my schedule's very different backwards, and I'm just running around chasing my 3 year old around all day and taking care of my sweet little bride and having a lot of time at home to just sit around and kind of do nothing and playing baseball and wrestling and playing basketball in the backyard and just kind of trying to stay busy and stay positive and stay cool. I imagine that many of your schedules are completely different if you're watching siblings now at home or having to help support the family and do a lot of things. So I just hope you're all doing well and hope this isn't too crazy for everybody. First thing I wanted to tell you was that as far as your schooling goes, term three is wrapped up. Everything that was turned in is in the grade book, and everything that your grades will be are now what will be. Those will be what's on your transcript. So everything turned into NEO is already done and already put in. And so there's a freeze on the grades for term three. So what your grade is on NEO right now is what your grade is going to be on your report card. There was an email earlier saying that that you might have an opportunity to raise it when you come back. I don't know if that is true anymore because things change, and I don't know what's going to be going on with raising grades. I think that what the grade will be is just what the grade will be. So that's either good news or bad news for you, but that's just what is. The second thing is our future plans. As far as it goes right now, we are probably going to go to some sort of online model for both your class and all of classes, all of your classes that you have on your schedule. For you and for English support, this is going to be different because a lot of our classes is done because of collaboration and us talking, and that's kind of the best way to acquire new language. And so I don't know what our class is going to look like going forward, but I've already expressed my concern to the principal saying that, hey, my second period class needs to be able to meet and needs to be able to talk. And so I've done the best I can to make sure that our class stays that way and is not some just give you a bunch of work to do when you're on your own. That's not what it will be. So hopefully the new system in place will work. I will know more about that system at the beginning of next week because for spring break, everyone's going to just take the time off. But at the beginning of next week, I'll know more and I'll tell you as much as I can what I can. The last thing is that whatever questions you have about what's going on or about what's happening or with your grade or with me or with you, just please email me and let me know. Our district is sending out emails basically every day to your parents, to the email address that's on file, and to you as well. If you normally don't check those emails, please do now because everything on there is going to be important. The emails that you get are the same ones I'm getting. So whatever you know is also what I know, and as long as we could all be on the same page and do the best we can. Sorry this sucks so much. I don't like this any more than you do, and I know this is very unfortunate, and I know that your lives are crazy busy and just insane like mine is. But let's do the best we can, and let's just try to make the best of whatever it is. Hopefully you're getting a lot of downtime, a lot of video games in, a lot of Netflix in, a lot of hanging out, a lot of relaxing as long as you're staying inside, staying safe. So love you second period. I'll see you as soon as I can, and I'll keep you updated as best I can when I know things. All right, later on.